Welcome everyone to the Pencil Tutors channel. I'm Anis and today I will be teaching you about Form 4's Chapter 2 Number Base. Number base is number systems consisting of digits from 0 to 9. This is a table from base 2 to base 10 and their digits. Base 2 has digits 0 and 1. Base 3 has digits 0, 1, and 2. Base 4 has digits 0, 1, 2, and 3, and so on for the rest of the bases with their digits. Each base has digits from 0 to a digit less than its base, as you can see here in the table. For example, if we are given a number and a base like this, then we can say it like 4, 3, base 5. We don't say it as 43 base 5, we say it as 4, 3, base 5. Alright, let's move on to place values. Place values is repeated multiplication of the base. Of the base. Right? So here is a to the power of n. A represents the base and n represents the power. Like 2 to the power of 3 equals to 8. Why does it equal to 8? It's because we repeat multiplying 2 3 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So that's why we get 8. Just like if we say 4 to the power of 5. 4 to the power of 5, we get 124 because we multiply 4 5 times. So 4 equals 1 to 24. If we are given a number and a base, how do we find its place value? I will use these three as examples. Alright, so this is a number and a base. So the number in the base is 7, 1, 2, 8, base 9. We look at the base. The base is 9. So we separate the numbers in base 9 and write down its place value in base 9. So we start from the right and work our way to the left. So 8 is place value is 9 to the power of 0. 2, its place value is 9 to the power of 1. 1, its place value is 9 to the power of 2. And 7, its place value is 9 to the power of 3. I'll do these other two so that we can understand better. Alright, so we separate the numbers in the base 2, 1, 2, 0, 1. And we write the place value from the right to the left. Okay, so 1, its place value is 3 to the power of 0 because the base is 3. 0, its place value is 3 to the power of 1. 2, its place value is 3 to the power of 2. 1, its place value is 3 to the power of 3. 2, its place value is 3 to the power of 4. Okay, do it again. So 4, 2, 0, 3, 1, base 5. Its place value, we start from the right, work our way to the left. So 5 power of 0. 3 is 5 to the power of 1. 0 is 5 to the power of 2. 2 is 5 to the power of 3. And 4 is 5 to the power of 4. We do this in order to find a particular digit value or the numerical value. The numerical value I will explain after this. Alright. Okay. So for digit value, to give a better understanding, I will use say 2 here. 2 and the place value 9 to the power of 1. So to find the digit value of 2 in base 9 is 2 times 9 to the power of 1. So include the power, so 2 times 9 to the power of 1. So power of 1 is always the original number, so 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, alright, so for this one, let's say I want to take, let's take 1 and the place value 3 to the power of 3. So to find the digit value of 1 here is 1 times 3 to the power of 3. So 3 to the power of 3 is 27. Okay, so 1 times 3 to the power of 3 is 27. Okay, so for the last example here, let's say I take digit 4 and the place value 5 to the power of 4. So the digit value of 4 is 4 times 5 to the power of 4 would equal to 2,500, because 5 to the power of 4 is 625, and when we times it with 4, we get 2,500. Alright, let's move on to numerical value. Numerical value is the sum of the digit values in the number. So I'll use the same example as before, 7128 base 9. So the first thing we do is we separate the number in the base, and then we write the place value. The place value, we start from the right to the left. So 9 power of 0, 9 power of 1, 9 power of 2, and 9 power of 3. So the digit value is the digit multiplied with the base value. So 7 times 9 power of 3, 1 times 9 power of 2, 2 times 9 power of 1, 8 times 9 power of 0. So the numerical value is the sum of the digit value. So we add all of the digit values together. So 7 times 9 to the power of 3 is 5,103, plus 1 times 9 to the power of 2 is 81, plus 2 times 9 to the power of 1 is 18, plus 8 times 9 to the power of 0. So anything to the power of 0 is automatically 1. So 8 times 1 is 8. So add all of these up and we will get 1 plus 18 plus 8. We get 5,210 to the base, 5210 base 10. But we don't need to write the base 10 as... Alright, here is another example, 1001 base 2. So the first thing I did is separate the numbers, and now we can write the place value in base 2. Okay, so 1, its place value is 2 to the power of 0, 0, 2 to the power of 1. This other 0, the place value is 2 to the power of 2, and 1, the place value is 2 to the power of 3. Now the digit value is the digit multiplied with the place value. So 1 times 2 to the power of 3, 0, times 2 to the power of 2, 0, times 2 to the power of 1, and 1 times 2 to the power of 0. So numerical value is the addition, the sum of all the digit values. So 1 times 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 0 times 2 to the power of 2 is 0. 0 times 2 to the power of 1 is 0. And lastly, 1 times 2 to the power of 0 is 1, so 1 times 1 is 1. So the numerical value is 9 base 10. Now, we can use our calculator to check the answers, but it only works for some bases like base 2, base 6, base 8, and base 10. So I want to check this number if I got the correct answer. So the first thing I have to do is press the mode 2 times, and do you see this base? So we press 3. Right, so D stands for deca, which is base 10. So we press log here, which has bin on it. Bin is for binomial, which is base 2. So press. So we see it's 2. We see it as the B there. Alright, so we put in the number into the calculator. So 1001. Alright, so we press equals. So the number comes out the same. So if you want to check our answer, which is in base 10, we simply just press the deca, which is the x power 2 button, and we will get 9. The answer is 9. Okay, so far? That is all for part 1. Be sure to check out part 2. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to come back every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday as we cover topics physics, maths, and biology. Bye!